not prepared for this at all. I fly in 4 hours, less than 4 hours, and I haven't packed a single thing. So we should probably do that. Hi guys, my name is Olivia, and today's video I'm going to be packing to go on a month-long trip all over Europe. I'm going to be going to France, Poland, Czech Republic, and Germany. I'm so excited and also so grateful that I'm able to go to all these places. I just did laundry and we need to, let me just show you. Yeah, that's what she's looking like right now. I don't think I'm gonna pack all of the clothes, but I'm gonna pack most of the clothes because, like I said, I'm gonna be gone for like a month. I made a little packing list, so we're gonna go through that and pack together because, like I said, I leave in 4 hours and all I packed were my jackets, which is like hanging on by a thread. Okay, we have everything figured out with clothes, tops, tanks, pants, PJs, mostly everything. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna wear and all that stuff. From the regular shirts piles, like t-shirts, I have 8 regular shirts and then I think like 9 tanks. Let me just show you. So this one I think from Hollister, it's really cute, really cute. I just think it would look good if I go to like a museum or something or whatever. Next, this one I think is from H&M. It has like a painting on it. Also just like casual wear, you know, if I ever just, I don't know. Next, I have this cool shirt that I got from Cider. It's like a little record player thingamajiggy. From Hollister, I just got this basic like white brown tank with like the brown accents on it. It's simple but cute. This one's also like a little nicer, but at the same time it's like really cute. I don't know where I got this from because I cut off the tag and I don't know why I cut off the tag, but I did that. This one is from a European store called New Yorker. I got this probably like 2-3 years ago in Germany. Worn her multiple times. It's my favorite shirt actually because this color looks great on me. Next we have a black like cool Chevrolet shirt. Also it's gonna be much nicer in Germany, Paris, etc. than in America, because America, the heat wave is insane. Because tell me why, it was like 100 degrees the other day. Like I went to the pool and I almost passed out. Look how adorable this shirt is. I got it at a flea market. And then my last shirt just has like little like oranges on it. It says Sicily, Italy, it says Sicily, Italia, now with tank tops. I have this like nice little frilly tank. I don't know where I got this. It has like such beautiful detailing on it. Like it's so pretty. Then I got this cute little tank, I think from Target. A lot of pink and white. Next, from Garage, we have another pink tank. Love this one so much. I was gonna wear this as my airport fit, but I got a horrible sunburn on my back because I decided I need sunscreen when the UV is 10. Don't guys wear sunscreen, please. I beg of you. From Hollister, I think I got this really cute like halter top kind of thing. It's so pretty. I love this color. From Cider, this adorable gingham like tank kind of thing, and look, it has like a little rose on it, but it's so pretty. I need to tie the strap, but it's so pretty. I love it so much. From Brandy Melville, I just got this cute little basic top. A lot of basics, but she's cute, she's simple. Hollister again. It's like this sports tank kind of thing. Last but not least, also from Hollister, and you kind of like tie it in the back and it's so beautiful and I love it. So I have a good amount of bottoms as well, which I hope will fit too. I just hope everything's gonna fit because I think I have a bigger suitcase somewhere, but I just hope everything's gonna fit. These jeans, I love the pockets situation going on here. Love it. I think it's from like Aeropostale or something, but she's perfect. I love the wash. And it's kind of like a little flared, which I love as well. And then this one's from Hollister, also low-rised, also flared, darker wash. But I love this one as well. From H&M, love this, love the wash. And now onto the other bottoms, such as like skirts and shorts and stuff. From Hollister, we have this beautiful little white tennis skirt, which has shorts and pockets. If you ever get like a dress or skirt from anywhere, get it from Hollister because they have pockets and shorts built in. I'm bringing these dresses with me and they're from Hollister and they have pockets and built-in shorts. They're perfect. Like I said, if you ever get any skirts or dresses, get them from Hollister. We got the classic white maxi skirt. I feel like everyone should have a white maxi skirt because white goes with everything. Shorts, trusty musty. What are the phrases? Jorts. And I also have these really cute. I love them so much. I love the detail, everything. These are from Aeropostale. I love them. I love the color. It's just basically like a gym kind of short kind of thing. Cute, pink, pretty, blah, blah, blah. We are on to PJs. Shorts are from Brandy Melville. They're like flowers on it. I love it. So pretty. Also from Brandy, we have these shorts as well. I love the stripe, the pink. I have my Spider-Man sleep shirt. I think I got this at Ross, but I love it. It's so cool. I love the everything. It's amazing. My cool Beatles shirt. I cut the neckline out, which I probably shouldn't have done, but it's okay. Is my other Marvel shirt, which has like the Marvel characters. Really cute, love. Okay, now onto dresses. Like I showed you earlier, I'm bringing like a white dress and then like a yellow accented dress. This one is like a long sleeve. It's also so cute. I wore this to the Leve concert and I got this because for Halloween, I wanted to be Lana Del Rey and this dress was perfect for Lust for Life, the album cover. This dress is so cute. It's such a cute little summer dress. I love how like frilly it is here. Just love everything about it. The shoes I'm going to be bringing are my Crocs because you always need Crocs. My Converse, which are so dirty, don't mind that, but they're nice walking shoes. And then of course, my favorites, my Sunbuzz. I'm going to be wearing my New Balances on the plane just because they take up a little more space. Yeah, I think I should put everything in my suitcase now because let me just show you. There's a lot going on right now. I also have like packing cubes, which I'm gonna try to use. I use that for this. Okay, let's do it. Everything is actually perfect. Everything fits. I know for sure that everything else will fit here. And I also want to make sure that I have a little bit more space in case I do go shopping, which I know I will do. So yeah, let's just hope that there is enough space. Okay, we are in my bathroom right now and I have this really cool bag kind of thing, which I'm definitely going to use because I have a lot of stuff that I need to, whoop, that reflection is crazy, but I have a lot of stuff that I need to bring with me and I just want to make sure that I like get everything. Toothbrush, toothpaste, cleanser, moisturizer, other moisturizer, sunscreen, concealer, blush, primer, highlighter, mascara, eyebrow stuff, blenders, brush, spoolie, eyelash curler, powder puff, powder, lash serum, face razor, other razor, dry shampoo, hair mask, hair clip thingies, body spray. Almost forgot deodorant. We need to pack the bag now. This is how it all looks like. I'm so glad I was able to fit everything. It was kind of a struggle, but I figured it out. I just started doing my jewelry box and I also just put on this necklace because it's cute. I have some pieces that I'm bringing. Oopsies. I have some pieces that I'm bringing with me. I'm bringing these like pearl earrings. I don't know where I got them from. I'm also gonna bring these like hoop thingies. Also don't know where I got that from. Pearl necklace. Also don't know where I got it from. And then these necklaces, which I got from Every Jewels. Use my code LOVELIVIA at checkout for money off. This beautiful one, I think this is the Love Girl necklace. I don't know, but it's just so cute. I love all the pearls. Really cute thing. Also got this one from H&M. It's just like a little heart kind of thing. And then this one is also from Every Jewels. It has like little hearts on it. It's really cute. Now that I have my like suitcase finished and everything like that, I need to start packing my carry-on bag. Yay, everything fits. Now it's time for my carry-on. I'm using this backpack. I don't know how to pronounce it and I'm not gonna try to, but I added like a cute little bow on it because It's adorable. So we're gonna first start with the front pocket because that's like the smallest thing. My microphone, lip glosses, and Vaseline, some gum. Front pocket holds a bunch of stuff, so that's gonna be helpful. I have like a bunch of like little bags. I have like 2 like just in case bags. This is in case they lose my luggage, and also just like a little refreshing thing like moisturizer, toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, all that stuff, and also contacts. Then also this is like my girl bag, hair ties, like Tide pen, mirror, all that stuff. Also gonna bring my glasses, my regular glasses, and my sunglasses. I love these sunglasses so much. They're so cool. I think I got them in like San Francisco or something. I'm also gonna pack a bunch of snacks. I have like the Made Good mini cookie thingies. I love dark chocolate. I just realized it's double chocolate, not dark chocolate. Whatever. I love chocolate, so definitely gonna bring that. Pistachios, 2 different kinds, honey roasted, regular. Also, I have like my really important thing with all my documents and whatever. Next, I have this, it's like a huge adapter kind of thing. And then I also have my wallet. It has already some euros in it. I'm also gonna bring my water bottle with me. So this water bottle is really cool because it's like scents, but your brain thinks it's flavored because you like take a sip and then you like inhale. So this is cool. Anyways, I'm also gonna bring different flavors with me. I have lemon, raspberry lemon, and watermelon. Right now I have the berries, which taste like Starburst. It's gonna be empty when I go. And I promise it doesn't leak. It's just when you put the lid on, it doesn't leak. I'm just stupid. So we're gonna put that in there. I'm also gonna add my iPad. I still need to get like a portable charger and whatever. I also weighed my suitcase and it's like 38 pounds and I think the limit is like 50 pounds. So that's gonna be fine. I need to dry my pants. I'll see you in a minute. Hey guys, we are leaving soon. This is the outfit right now. Backpack. I also added little bows to my pants because why not? We'll be wearing these shoes because they're cute, they're comfy, practical, all that stuff. I'm not gonna be wearing my jacket right now because it's like 30 degrees outside and that's really, really hot. So I will be wearing that later. I think we are gonna go now. I will see you at the airport. Okay, I just got on the plane and yeah, I got a sandwich. I'm a little nervous right now because there are like people here, but I got a sandwich. Everything went well. I'm probably gonna watch a bunch of Drive to Survive. I'll try to sleep because, like I said, I am landing 7:45 in the morning, German time. Just landed. I'm exhausted. Yeah. We're in Munich right now, and I'm just gonna end the video here because it's already pretty long and just don't have a lot more to show, I guess. I don't know, but I am gonna make like a little series of like Paris, other places of course. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you watched the other videos. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.